Hello world! Want to make a robot that plays song based on how far your hand is? Or a music player that changes songs as you move closer? I am Manish Gupta and welcome to CyberSocks. Today in this video we are going to make distance control song player. Distance control song player is a robot that plays different songs depending upon how far object is in front of it. If you are far, it will play one song. As you move closer, it will play different song. As you move little or close, it will play different song. Excited, right? Let's make this fantastic distance control song player with CyberSocks. Let's build our robot. Alright everyone, now it's time to build our robot. Today we will be using CyberSocks Robot Kit 2.0 step by step from scratch. This kit is specially designed for make robotics fun, simple and hands-on. So your kid can learn robotics and programming. Assemble your car using CyberSocks car assembly manual. First connect our USB to our brain. Now let's connect other end of the USB to our computer. Connect 4-pin cable to OLED and other end of 4-pin cable to device 1 port. Then connect 3-pin cable to buzzer and other end of 3-pin cable to sensor 1 port. Now connect 4-pin cable to ultrasonic sensor and other end of our cable to device 2 port. Place ultrasonic here. Now place the plate. Put OLED here and buzzer here. Let's understand flowchart and algorithm of this program. First, I will open this image in a new tab so we can see clearly. We are starting our program. We are connecting ultrasonic, PWM buzzer and OLED. Then we are creating a variable last song and setting to none. Why we are setting to none? Because there is no song played yet. Then we will read distance from our ultrasonic sensor. If distance is greater than 50 or equal to 999, we will show out of range on OLED and set our last song to none because we are resetting our last song. If distance is between 10 to 20 and our last song is not Twinkle Twinkle, then we will show on LED Twinkle Twinkle and play Twinkle Twinkle on buzzer. If distance is between 20 and 30 and last song is not Jingle Bells, then we will show Jingle Bells on OLED and play Jingle Bells on buzzer. If distance is between 30 to 40 and last song is not Happy Birthday, then we will show Happy Birthday on OLED and play Happy Birthday on buzzer and repeat this again. Let's understand the algorithm. We are initializing OLED, ultrasonic and buzzer, creating last song equal to none, loop forever, read distance, then display the distance on OLED. If distance is out of range, we will show out of range and reset our last song. If distance is between 10 to 20 and last song is not Twinkle Twinkle, we will display the song name, play song and update our last song. If distance is between 20 to 30, last song is not Jingle Bells, we will display our song name, play song and update the last song. If distance between 30 to 40, last song is not Happy Birthday, then display the song name, play song and update our last song. Then repeat this process again. Now let's code distance control song player. Let's open up our Google Chrome and search Cybo Socks and hit enter and visit cybersocks.com. On the top panel, as you can see, we have block editor. For the first step, we are going to make ultrasonic, buzzer and OLED. Go to pins and devices, pick get ultrasonic block, name it ultra, choose device 2. Now go to pins and devices, pick get PWM buzzer name it buzzer, choose sensor 1. Now go to OLED display, pick create OLED block. For the next step, we are going to continuously read distance from ultrasonic with the help of brain. For this, go to control, pick while do block, set its condition to true. Go to variables and string, pick value block, name variable distance. For getting distance, pick get distance block, choose ultra. Now what was the next step? Yes, printing distance on our OLED. Go to OLED display, pick OLED clear screen block. Again go to OLED display, pick OLED text block. Go to operators, pick addition sign. Go to variables and string, pick string block. Write distance, duplicate distance. Now distance is number. We are going to convert it into text. Go to math and logic, pick str block. Where we are going to print it? Yes, the top left most corner. Go to variables and string, pick value block, assign value 0, duplicate it. You can try other values on your own. Now we check if our range is out of reach. Go to control, pick if block. Now we are going to check condition. Go to operators, pick end block. Now again operator, pick comparison block, duplicate distance, set it 50. Now again duplicated, choose equal to, write 999. This is error value. If it is true, what we are going to do? Yes, we will print out of range on our OLED. Go to OLED display, pick OLED go to OLED display, pick OLED text block, write text out of range. We will write little below. Let's write 10. After this, we will update our OLED. So show an OLED block. If range is out of range, we will continue our loop. Go to control, pick continue block. What was the next step of our algorithm? Yes, if distance is not out of reach, we will check the distance and play the song and update our last song. For this, go to functions, pick define function block, name function play song by distance. What will the parameters? Parameters will be OLED, buzzer, distance and last song. Go to function, pick one value block, duplicate it. Now we will check distance and play our song. Go to control, pick if block, drag to else if. Now for the first condition, there are two conditions. First is distance is greater than equal to 10 and less than 20. And second condition is last song is not equal to twinkle twinkle. Go to operators, pick logical end. Again go to operators, pick double comparison block, write distance, duplicated, write 10, choose less than great equal to, again duplicated, write 20. For second condition, go to operators, pick comparison block, choose not equal to, write last song. Go to variables and string, pick string block, write twinkle twinkle. If the condition is true, we are going to show twinkle twinkle on OLED and play the song on buzzer. Then update last song is equal to twinkle twinkle. Go to OLED, pick OLED text, copy this, write 0 for y 10. After this, show on OLED screen. Then go to buzzer, pick play song block, write pin name and choose our song twinkle twinkle. Then go to variables and string, pick change variable block, write last song, pick twinkle twinkle. Again do same for other else if condition. Duplicate this, Write 20, 30. Here, jingle bells. Duplicate this, duplicate this, duplicate this, and duplicate this. Change twinkle twinkle to jingle bells. Choose jingle bells. Delete this. Copy this. Again, do the same for else if condition. Write 30. Here, 40. Write happy birthday. Duplicate, 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 and duplicate. Change jingle bells to happy birthday. Choose happy birthday. Delete this. Copy this. And at the last, I will be returning last song. Go to functions, pick return block, write last song. Now go to main function and call our play song by distance function. Go to functions, pick function call with return value block. Now go to variables and string, pick change variable value block, place it here, write last song and assign it value. For the arguments, duplicate this, name the distance, correct. But we forgot creating our last song variable. For this, go to variables and string, put create variable here, name the variable last song and value will be none. Similarly, go to variables and string, pick change variable value block, place it here and its value will be none and name will be last song. Now name the function play song by distance. We have completed our code. Now click on connect brain button. Then choose USB serial. Click on connect. After connecting successfully, click on run code. Let's compare our flowchart with our program. We are creating ultrasonic, PWM buzzer and OLED. To achieve this, we are using get ultrasonic, get PWM buzzer and create OLED. Get PWM buzzer and PWM buzzer are different things. Simple buzzer only beeps, means we can only turn on and off. But PWM buzzer can play songs, tunes at different frequency. After this, we are setting last song to none. Then we are getting distance from ultrasonic. We are achieving this by get distance block, which take distance from ultrasonic with the help of brain. After this, we are checking out of reach condition and printed out of range. After this, we are checking different distance and play song according to it. So we are using play song by distance function to achieve this. Great job! Now you have understood how to play different songs depending upon how far your hand is, or change different tunes where as you walk near your robot. For our upcoming video, we are going to make hand following car. A robotic car which follows the hand wherever hand goes, car will follow. If you have understood how to get distance from ultrasonic sensor and depending on distance do various tasks like playing the song. If you have understood, please subscribe our channel and like this video.